Now we will see tooltip control in window application. Tooltip class provides hint to a user when the user places the pointer on a control. The tooltip class is typically used to alert users to the intended use of the control. A tooltip shows small pop-up window that displays some information when user roll over on a control. For example, you can specify tooltip text for a text box control that accepts a name, specifying the format of the name to be typed into the control. In addition to providing hints, you can also use the tooltip class to provide runtime status information. For example, you can use tooltip class to display connection speed and line quality data when the user moves the pointer onto a picture box control that displays internet connection status. Different properties for tooltip controls are active, which defines a tooltip is currently active. Automatic delay. It will display the automatic delay for the tooltip. Auto pop delay. The period of time the tooltip remains visible if the pointer is stationary on a control with specified tooltip text. Initial delay gets or sets the time that passes before the tooltip appears. Ease balloon gets or sets a value indicating whether the tooltip should use a balloon window. Reshow delay gets or sets the length of the time that must transpire before subsequent tooltip window appear as the pointer moves from one control to another. Show always property displays if tooltip is displayed even if the parent control is not active. Tooltip icon property sets the icon of tooltip window. Tooltip title displays the title of the tooltip window. Use animation represents whether an animation effect should be used when displaying the tooltip. Use fading represents whether a fade effect should be used when displaying the tooltip. Different methods for tooltip controls are hide, which hides the specified tooltip window. Remove all method removes all tooltip text currently associated with the tooltip component. Set tooltip associates tooltip text with the specified control. Show method sets the tooltip text associated with the specified control. Stop timer method stops the timer that hides the displayed tooltip. Events. Different events for tooltip controls are disposed occurs when the component is disposed by a call to the dispose method. Draw event occurs when the tooltip is drawn and the owner draw property is set to true and the ease balloon property is false. Pop-up event occurs before a tooltip is initially displayed. This is the default event for the tooltip class. Now we will see tooltip control properties and events. For this we will add one form here. For this first we will add one button here, and to display the tooltip we will add tooltip control on the form. We will double click on it. It will add tooltip control here. You can set the properties of tooltip using property window. To add the tooltip to the control, select the control and from property window write a message that you want to display, that is tooltip on tooltip 1, which is a control that we have added tooltip 1. Here I will write click on me to execute, and we will execute this form using program.cs. and when we execute it, when we hover over the button, it will display the message, click on me to execute. If we set the is balloon property true and we execute it, it will display the tooltip in balloon format. If we set the initial delay to 100 and if we execute it, it will display the tooltip immediately we hover over it. And if we set it to 500 and if we execute it, it will display tooltip after some milliseconds. If I give tooltip title and if I execute it, it will display the tooltip with button tooltip title. If I set the restore delay to 10 and if I execute it, first it will display, again I hover over it, it will display the tooltip after 10 milliseconds. If I set it to 500 and if I execute, if I remove the focus from the button and again I move the focus, it will display the tooltip again after 500 milliseconds.